Oh, that's rancid.
I can't eat that.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay, you record it, I'll do it.
Are you seriously gonna do it? It tastes really bad.
It's already recording.
It tastes really bad. Just take a little like lick of it and it's really bad.
The whole thing.
Yeah, so Becca, you're really gonna do this? You're gonna freaking poop bullets in our hurt. You're gonna like flamethrow out your butt. Becca the flamethrower. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, I'm so scared to do. Oh.
Is that your daddy? Who is it? Who? Oh.
Oh, it's my dad. My dad's calling me. It's not that bad.
Are you kidding? Oh. Please barf. Are you gonna? Oh my god. How did that burp taste?
My eyes are watering.
Oh my god, you puppy. How you doing? What did that taste like? Spicy. That's a spicy meatball. Alright, well, congratulations. I farted on camera. I want to vote. Oh. That's your duck sauce.